So what's happening weather-wise here in Korea and around the world? We now go over to our Kwon So-ah standing by at the Weather Center. So-ah, good evening.
Good evening, Jie.
So I hear that the rain is in the forecast. Can you tell us more?
Sure, Jie. We are expecting some rain tomorrow, so get out your umbrellas again. It'll rain in the western provinces from the morning up until midday, while the inland regions will see showers in the afternoon. And skies should be partly cloudy or overcast in the lower part of the nation. And now let's check on Friday's readings. The capital Seoul should be relatively warm overnight, but Friday's daytime high will reach 30 degrees, so not too bad. Daegu will top out at 32, Yeosu will be nice at 28, while Busan hits 31 degrees. And moving over to Daejeon, which will peak at 32 degrees, Jeju Island at 30. Dokdo and Myeongdong will make it to 26 and 22 respectively. And now for those watching from other parts of the world, here's the international weather. Starting off in eastern China, Hurricane Haikui is moving westwards but has been downgraded to a tropical storm. Nevertheless, up to 400 millimeters of rain is still expected. Heavy rain should also continue in the Philippines, including Manila. Over in Tokyo, it's going to start off a little cloudy, but the latter half of the day should be very sunny. The sun will shine to its fullest in Perth, while a windy and a slightly rainy day is forecast for Sydney. It'll look similar in Melbourne, while Wellington will stay dry. Taking you to North America, the temperature difference between Vancouver and Montreal will be very narrow this Friday, with Montreal expecting some scattered thunderstorms. It'll be rainy and windy in Chicago, and there is potential for severe thunderstorms in New York and Washington, D.C. Meanwhile, Hurricane Ernesto should make another landfall in southeastern Mexico. Most of the South American continent will be cloudy on Friday, but in Brazil it's looking to be gorgeously sunny, with Sao Paulo and Rio de Janeiro reaching 26 and 29 degrees. And Friday will be a lovely day in Europe with abundant sunshine. Approaching the end of the Olympics in London, the weather is due to warm up. Now down in Madrid, it may be too hot with temperatures in the low 40s. And it'll be nearly as hot in the upper part of Africa, while in Addis Ababa, temperatures will make it to just 20 degrees along with scattered thunderstorms. Dakar will be 10 degrees hotter, but also wet. And that completes the weather forecast for now.
Thank you very much, So-ah. That's all the news we are following at this hour. I'm Yoo Ji-hae. Join us again for more news updates on our primetime news at 10 p.m. Korea time. See you all then.